Every day, more people are flocking to our city on the rise, and this week the Fed cut interest rates for the second time since July, saving those home buyers some big money.
News Channel 5's Adam Hammond explains how you could also save through a refinance and how to tell if that option is right for you.
You see for sale signs like this all over Middle Tennessee right now, but if you're not in the market for a new home and you still want to take advantage of the good rates, you could possibly look at refinancing. That may save you hundreds of dollars every month. This week, the Fed cut interest rates for the second time in just 2 months over fears of a possible global economic slowdown.
My husband Nick and I have lived in Old Hickory for 4 years now.
Kara Krug thought she got a good interest rate back then at 4.2%. But took advantage of the new lower rates by refinancing her home this month.
So it dropped down 0.75%, which was amazing how much that could make a difference.
The family's now saving $350 on their mortgage bill every month, and the whole process took her just a few days. When she heard about the drop in rates, she called her lender, Sean Kaplan, with Legacy Mortgage, who crunched the numbers and found she was a perfect candidate.
Markets did really, really well at the beginning of the year, and so mortgage rates actually went up into the low fives. And then over the last 60 days, we've had an enormous drop, and they've dropped down into the threes right now. And it was kind of unexpected.
Here in Nashville, home values are also up 12% over last year, so many homeowners are finding they have a lot more equity in their homes, which can lead to a drop in mortgage insurance and other monthly rates.
We have 2 kids in daycare, so believe me, my mind went to all the different wonderful things we could do with our money.
When you refinance, you have to restart your term and pay closing costs again, but in most cases, that money doesn't come out of your pocket, it's rolled back into your new mortgage. Kaplan says a refinance isn't right for everyone.
If you already have a low interest rate, it doesn't necessarily exclude you, but it definitely is going to limit your options. If you've only been in the home less than 12 months, that's another one that might not benefit you because the home value hasn't grown a lot.
Kaplan says it's important for you to call your lender to get a loan estimate and see if a refinance makes sense. Adam Hammond, News Channel 5.
Now, because the closing costs are rolled into your mortgage, make sure you ask questions about the fees being put back into your mortgage so you know exactly what you're paying for and you don't end up paying more on the back end when you sell.